Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, June 26th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the US dollar yen did drift up a little bit. I mean, we made an engulfing move to the upside on the 1 hour. The key for me is that it never broke structure on the 1 hour. That means that I am definitely still a seller every time I see what looks like a 1, 2, 3 way pullback. I definitely would think that this potentially could have been a short, especially on a little bit of a shorter time frame today. Now, the move down is really not that impulsive, which kind of makes me think that potentially it could go up again. For me personally, unless it breaks this structure level right here, I am definitely looking for sells. So even if it does pop up again, to the 61 or 78%, that doesn't mean it's going up. A break of structure is what tells me that the higher time frames are potentially going up. If it goes up, makes another wave up to a Fibonacci level, then great, I'll go short there. If it just keeps on drifting down, then really, as my old mentor used to say, then the entry was back here. The only thing to do is to be waiting for an exit or waiting for another three-way pullback to go short again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.